Are your Jira boards cluttered, overwhelming, and slowing down your team's productivity? You're not alone. I'm Hafsa, a certified Agile coach, Atlassian expert, and certified Scrum Master. I help teams streamline their workflows using Agile best practices. Today, I will show you how to create a Jira dashboard in just 5 minutes, giving you instant visibility in your projects and tasks. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional dashboard with key insights to track progress effortlessly. First, log into your Jira account. At the top menu, click on the Dashboards and then select the Create Dashboard option, and this will be the central hub for tracking your team's progress. Give your dashboard a clear name. Let's call it as Project Overview. Next, choose your visibility settings. If you want to collaborate with your team, select Open or Shared. If it's just for you, keep it private. Right? So now let's add a gadget. Once we save it, we are able to add the gadgets that provides the real-time insights. This gadget, like the first one, let's explore the filter results. So this gadget allows you to track a specific task such as all open issues or active sprint tasks. Click Add Gadget, select Filter Results, and pick a saved filter from the options. And for example, we have these filters and we select this. And once we have this, we can save it. And now we will be having the instant task visibility like this, right? We will be able to see the summary and priority, and if we want to see any other fields, we can configure it from the gadget itself as well by pressing on the three dots, configuring it again, and then adding the respective or related or whatever is required as a field. Like let's suppose if I want to have here the key. Oh, it's already there. So let's suppose we want to have a assignee. So I add assignee and I save it, and it will display me the filter results alongside with the assignee as well. Like if I close this, I will be seeing the tickets are assigned to which person or even if they are unassigned. Let's go to the next one. If you want to monitor the sprint progress, sprint burndown gadget, it's very effective. Like this is the sprint burndown gadget. That gives you a visual breakdown of completed versus remaining tasks. You can select your active sprint, you can configure the settings and just save it from here, right? And then for the individual task tracking, you can utilize the assigned to me gadget. This helps team members see their own to-do list at a glance. Then if you want to have a quick overview of different issue types, then the pie chart gadget is great. Choose a filter or choose a project like issue by status or issue by the assignee or by any other like sprint or anything, whatever you require on a project, and it will give you the insights of that on the basis of that specific statistic. Like let's suppose if I say the status, right, and I make it save, and I will be able to see how many tickets are from the project into do, how many tickets are in done, and how many tickets are in progress. So we have the specific stats in here. Once you have added the gadgets, you can rearrange them for like a better visibility. Like let's just close this one for a while. We can line this as this, and we can drag and drop them into the places to make sure the most important sites are on the top, and that's it. You now have a fully functional Jira dashboard that is basically helping you to track tasks, sprints, and team performance at a glance. If you want more advanced Jira automation tips, drop a comment below and let me know what you would like to see next in the part 2. And before you go, you can get a free Jira assessment consultation. I will be dropping the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Agile and Jira tutorials. Thank you.